Welcome to my YouTube channel Pro Wolf Trader. Like and subscribe this channel. All my subscribers and my Telegram group members, this I hope they're all profitable. In my last weekly analysis, I mentioned that gold is gonna drop down to 2300 range, and I supported it with my bearish analysis that sentiment is changing. Yes, it is in a range and it's gonna drop down, but what happened last week was more than enough to shift the market sentiment from bullish to bearish. We saw Bank of China did a rate hike, which is really alarming. And now Fed, there is an FOMC meeting this week, so most likely we are not gonna see any rate cut because we are currently in a recession. Stocks are dropping this week. We have Microsoft, we have Meta and other earnings, and this week has lots of. We have a NFP Friday, so and gold is of course is in the downward trend. So what else do you expect? Market sentiment has changed. Those who have failed to adopt, we're gonna get stopped out, and we're gonna look for sell entries. As the gold moved down from 2400 range, we were looking for a lower formation to enter a sell entry. We caught it last week in a bearish flag movement. As you can see, it created a lower high, and then in that lower high there was a bearish flag formation and it dropped down with a nice 600 700 pip, and I provided this signal on my Telegram group. All my members, they made profits, and I hope all the people who are following me also make profit this week. And then on Thursday Friday we saw a rising wedge formation, and we are in a sell entry which is open on the weekend from 2389. And of course, if the retracement moves above 2400 range, we are not gonna look for any sale from above 2400. We're gonna wait. But as you can see, it's a quite neat lower low, lower high, lower low formation. So we're gonna stick with our plan sell entry with a nice risk to reward ratio. Let's move on to the data that is coming this week. This week, on Monday, there is no such news, but on Tuesday, we are seeing consumer confidence and Jolt's jobs opening, which is going to release. And on Wednesday, we are expecting huge data all day. We have Chinese news of data coming from China. We have data coming from Japan, which is going to be an Asian session. Then in the US session, there's going to be ADP, non-farm employment change. We also going to have employment cost index, and then is pending home sales, and then the most important news, federal funds rate, FOMC statement, and FOMC press conference. And it's going to be a bearish week, and I hope you all prepared. Yes, there's gonna be a huge moves. I hope everybody catches those moves. And on Thursday we have around unemployment, and on Friday we have NFP. So our weekly approach is we're gonna move bearish. We're gonna look for sell entries all week. We're gonna aim for the sell entries. And despite this weekend, there we have war news. There the attack from Hezbollah on Israel. But as I said earlier, that for the last 2 years, Ukraine war, and last since year October, we have war going on in Israel. Any new war coming, new the news coming from these regions is most not gonna move gold anymore, because we need new war, Taiwan China war, or any other region, because the market is used to the war news. We can say that market has already priced in the all the news coming from these regions. So any new conflict is gonna boost gold up, but keeping in mind that this all the data coming this week, and the Fed rate cut decision or rate hike decision, which is gonna be most possibly we're gonna have some indication on Wednesday FOMC. And in my view, I think despite everybody saying that there's going to be rate, I think there's going to be a rate hike. Big is either going to be a rate hike or it's going to be unchanged higher for longer. That's going to affect, and gold is going to be dropping down because Fed has to take a stance. Fed has to, otherwise dollar weakness can hurt the US economy really hard. No trend lasts forever. Gold created an all-time high. Now gold is gonna look for all-time low. Yes, it's gonna drop down. We might say that we will no time be seeing all-time high with the current data we have right now. All the data which is indicating that we have a recession ahead, and in this session stocks drop harder than metals, and dollar is gonna rally, of course. So we have to be well prepared. We have to take into the reality of each and every data that is gonna get released, because Fed is gonna move from data to data, and you also gonna be moving from weekly to weekly trade. There will not be any long trades. There will gonna be swings. As you can see, we got really nice trades this week too. You'll be catching sell trades, and that's going on a 1 hourly time frame. You can see price is near 2389, which is a really a strong area. If we don't have, there's only one support near 2360 and 2355, and there is no support after that. So gold has retested upper range, which is a clear indication that prices is still gonna move downwards. So we got a really nice trade from 2389. I provide the signal in my Telegram group. If you're not in that group, go join it. It's absolutely free for the moment. And all my signals I'm providing over there, so they're absolutely free. And I hope that this week all the people who are in that group they make profit, keeping into the risk to reward ratio. No large lot sizes, no FOMO. Wait for the signals, and I hope everybody is gonna be profitable. Please like and subscribe this channel. If you have any questions, you can send me a direct message on Telegram. And if there is anything, please let me know. And if you are following my analysis for the past month, please update me and send me feedback. I'll appreciate it. And good luck for this week. And I hope everybody is profitable. And let's make money together. Take care. Godspeed.